Good day, everyone. Jesus here again. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through uploading PSD mockups, setting them up, and generating designs effortlessly in bulk. Let's get started. To begin, head over to the Mockups tab on the left-hand menu, then click on Custom Mockups. Here you'll find important guidelines for uploading your PSD files. Your PSDs should follow these requirements: layered format, smart objects for design placement, and proper dimensions for best results. Remember that you'll need a Starter, Pro, or Pro Plus account to upload and use custom mockups. Next, click Upload Mockup and select the PSD mockups you want to add. In this case, I'll upload the mockup we did in the previous video. After the uploading, just hit the Upload Mockup. Once uploaded, you'll see the mockup listed in your custom mockup library. Now, let's configure the base mockup settings. You have the option to categorize the product. In this case, I'll keep it in the clothing category since it's a shirt. You can also link the product. This is a Comfort Color 1717 shirt, so let's go ahead and link it. Make sure you select both men and women. If you have custom color enabled, please choose the color attribute for the layer shirt color. In a default setting, use the color. Finally, you have the option to make the mockup public. In this case, I will keep it in my library. Make sure you hit Save Changes before going ahead and generating bulk mockups. Now let's find the mockup in the mockup generator. Click on the listing page in the menu and select the listing for which you want to create mockups. Take note, you can hit multiple listings for bulk processing. Now let's go to Quick Action and choose Image Mockup. I'll hit Custom Mockups here and search for the mockup I just uploaded. Select this one and make sure the file slot is correct. In my case, the designs are in the main file. If you have custom colors available, this is where you will select the colors. Since this mockup is linked to the product Comfort Color 1717, I get to see all of the available colors from different print providers. I will choose white, go over here, and add another color. You can select up to 10 different colors. Lastly, you can generate a preview, but I'll go over and process the mockup generation and hit Generate Mockup. Confirm the action, and finally, you have generated bulk listings in MyDesigns. That's all for today. I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you at the next one.